Go get that. That's yours. Shh. Stop nagging and take it. Come on, you're a dog. Seize it. You're the top dog. Claim it. You just walk up there and you grab that little brontosaurus. Okay? All right? You just grab him. There you go. That's right. This is a sin if human beings do it, but dogs are supposed to do this. There you go, Lucky. You are the top dog, and that is your Brontosaurus chew toy. So, what are you going to do, Ben Ben? What are you going to do?